Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a Black Friday haul. I spent so much money and I wasn't planning on it, but it happened. It's done. It's over with. So we're just gonna deal with it. And I don't want to make a long intro, so I'm just gonna get right into the fun stuff. And we're gonna start off with Urban Outfitters. I think they had buy one get one 50% off, which actually is a really good deal for them, so I was all for it. So I actually got this first thing. It's like a set because it reminded me of Kim Kardashian. Of course that's why I got it. I'm just a wannabe, guys. I'm sorry. And it's all twisted because I tried everything on. But it looks like this. The top, it has like a higher neck. And then it's long sleeves and it's like a crop top. It's this like super velvety, nice material. I really like it. And the bottoms are bike shorts. I've never owned bike shorts before, but I actually really like them. And they look like this. They're just blue and velvet. They kind of look like a diaper, but that's fine. But they're so soft. I love this so much, and I think this is a really cute outfit. You'll definitely be seeing this on my Instagram, so if you want to follow me on Instagram, please do. I will leave it right here. The next thing I got, so a lot of people have different opinions about this, but I love pastels in the winter. They're just my color, so I got this skirt, and it just has a bunch of flowers and different patterns on it. It's nice and ruffly and girly, everything I like, to be honest, and I just think it's really cute, and I'm going to New York soon, so I thought I'd make a cute outfit with this for New York. The next thing I got dragged into last minute. It's just this little bow hair tie thing. I thought it'd be really cute. I don't know. I like bows. What can I say? And the last thing I got, I always wanted these like beret hats. Is that what they're called? I think so. But I just think it's so cute. I don't even know how it goes. I think this goes in the back. Let me try it on. Alright, you can tell me if it looks bad. It might look bad. Am I wearing it wrong? I don't know. Oh, wait, this is actually kind of cute. Oh, wait, yeah. No, I like it. This is really cute. It's just different. I don't normally wear hats or anything like that, but I don't know. I thought it was super girly and cute, so I got this. And that is all from Urban Outfitters, because if I got any more, then I would be broke. And next, I got stuff from the infamous Victoria's Secret Pink, because I mean, I feel like every Black Friday I get something from there. I don't know why, it just, the store pulls me in. But I of course got the bag. I mean, of course. And the first thing I got was, so these, excuse me, manners. Thank you. So the first thing I got was these 2 for $25 sets from Victoria's Secret. I got one in tease, and this one is in bombshell. Oh my god, these are so good. They both smell amazing, and they're both my all-time favorite scents, especially tease. If you haven't smelled it before, definitely go smell it, like right now. It's the best smell in the whole entire world. Oh my god, I just realized that Food Network is on this whole entire time. I'm gonna go turn it off quick. So sorry if you guys heard Food Network that entire time. Oh my god. I don't want to refilm it. I feel so sick right now. But I'm filming this because these are my favorite things to watch, so I totally get why you guys would want to watch it. The next thing I got from Pink is this hoodie that definitely was not on sale. But I thought it was so cute, and I think every single YouTuber and their mother has this Sherpa hoodie. So, I mean, I didn't see what they got until I already got it, so I'm not copying anyone, you know? You know, guys, whatever. So I got this in an extra small because it's actually, like, pretty massive. And so I am such a dumbass. I thought that all the Sherpas were on sale, and I go up to the register and she's like $80 and I'm like,
oh my god, no. So
I messed up and I really don't regret it because I wanted this so bad. So whatever, you live, you learn. And the next thing I got, oh my god, my hair's so staticky. Do you see that? Ew, calm down. The next thing I got is just great and fun. It's just this pink thong. It's sparkly. Whatever. And the last two things I got, three things. So first, these two things, these are new. These are the Glitter Lust Shimmer Sprays, and they're in two different scents. This is Love. I think this is like one of their new scents. And I got the one in Bombshell Seduction. Ooh. So this is what they look like. They're just scents that come out glittery. I mean, if I could, I would be Edward Cullen in the sunlight all the time. That's just personally me. It's like diamonds. But I'm obsessed with glitter. And then I got this aqua gloss. I don't know. Honestly, she was like, you need to spend $6 more to get the pink bag. So I was like, whatever. I just picked this up. I picked up anything. I don't really care about it, to be honest. So I'm probably going to give it to a friend. But, and here's the bag for pink. This is what it looks like. Just a bag. Pretty basic, but it's nice and shimmery and fun, so we like it. Okay, so I totally forgot about this. I also got this from Pink. It is the Party Shimmer Foam with coconut oil. So it's basically just like a mousse for your body, and it's just super shimmery. I mean, you already know we like glitter here, so I'm excited to use this. To Nordstrom BP. I only got one thing. I don't know why. I wasn't really feeling anything this year, but I just got these leggings. They were 19 bucks, and I'm pretty sure, like, do you know how there's an underwear and sock thief? I think there's a legging thief on the loose, so lock your doors, kids, because he's coming for your leggings. And the next place I went to with absolutely no sales was Sephora, and I got a bunch of shit that I didn't need. Wait, actually I did need this, but this is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration. I just really like this stuff, and it's super cheap. It was like $15 in the sale, and it's good for your face and your body, and it's really good for people with eczema, so that's good. And next I got this Makeup Forever Glitter Dust Set. So you can see on the back everything it comes with. It comes with two glitters, one really white and one kind of purplish. And then it comes with two eyeshadows, one that's really white and pearly. It kind of has like a blue shift, and then a really pretty gold metallic one. They're all super pretty, and this was on sale, so I had to pick it up. The next thing I got is actually because I've seen so many YouTubers rave about this lip stuff. So it's the Laneige sleeping mask, and it comes with the big size and then the 3 minis. They all smell so good, and like this stuff is amazing. I've only used it, like I got it yesterday, so I mean I've only used it a little bit, but so far I'm really enjoying it. So this is a cute little set to get. And lastly, from Sephora, I got the Disco Couture Glow Inferno Artist Couture set. So I think this was on sale too. I'm not really sure, but it comes with 2 highlighters and a lip gloss. So that's a really good deal. And my camera's dying, so I need to speed things up a little bit. So next I went to Ulta, and I just got this, which wasn't on sale, but it's an amazing, amazing highlighter. ColourPop's highlighters are so good, and it's in the shade Flexitarian. So it's just a very light, pale, shimmery shade. And lastly, we have Forever 21, so I'm just gonna go through this really quickly. before my camera dies. But first I got this skirt. I just thought this was so pretty and so my style. Just very girly, and I just loved the pattern and the buttons down the front. I'm such a skirt girl. So I got that. Next I got this because, go figure, it reminded me of Chanel. So it's just white with these gold strings through it. It's very shimmery and it's like a tweed material. And it's just this cute little skirt with the buttons down the side. I got this headband on the way out because I just couldn't resist. It's like one of those super soft fuzzy headbands that keep your ears warm. I just loved it. I feel like I'm always in need of a white turtleneck, so I just picked another one up. So it's just a classic white turtleneck sweater. Really basic, but you could put under anything. And then I got this little overall style dress, and I thought this would look good with that turtleneck paired underneath. It's like red and blue plaid, I think, and it has like the zipper down the front. It's super cute. I really like this. Oh yeah, and everything in Forever 21 was 30% off, which is so amazing. This is the first year they've ever done this, so you go Forever 21.
You go, Glen Coco.
So from Forever 21, I also got what I'm wearing right now. So it's this tanned sweater. It is super soft and nice. It kind of looks like Inside Out, that kind of style, because it has like the stitching on the outside. And I also got this skirt that I'm wearing. It's gonna be hard to show you guys, but we'll just stand up. It's just plaid. It's really pretty. It has light blue, maroon, and tan. It's just so cute. I feel like all I wear is pretty much skirts, so yeah. And the last thing I got in this whole entire haul was this cute little headband. It's just striped and really basic. I always am looking for something to keep my hair back, so this is gonna come in handy. And alright guys, that's the final haul. This is actually my first Black Friday haul, and I really enjoyed filming it for you guys. I hope you guys liked everything I got and got some inspiration for things to get yourself or maybe someone else this Christmas. And I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Oh yeah, and don't forget to subscribe.